Hi guys, today I'm going to be playing Turbo Dismount. This time it's going to be different. What should I do? Hit the fan. Hit Ooh, semi-big ramp. Ah! Whoa! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Here we go! Oh, there's Ozlick. Oh, here we go! Here we go! Nothing to see. Nothing to see. Dismount complete. Whoa! Oh my gosh! I'm a pro at mall chase. So let's see it. Okay, let's press this. I'm out. Go, go, go. They won't see me as like this. Oh, no. Too bad. Who's tickling me? Oh, that was it. Try again. Hamburger. Oh, they didn't notice. Oh, they're noticing. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Who? Ah, he touched me. Oh, Turbo. Ah, let's see a pro one now. Make him crash. Oh no, this isn't a pro. A medium noob. Come on. No. I almost touched it. Oh no! Oh! Oh my gosh, it's still going. They don't see me as Lumber Tycoon. Oh no! No! Fecal. I don't think I'm a pro. Let's choose. SBI Ranger. I don't think this can be fast to do it. Ooh, I think I can do it. I gotta go. I keep going straight and then turn. Yeah, that's what I mean. Who Vans? Ooh. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh, I did see it. Vehicle. Yeah, that's what you get. They were welcome up. No! That's what you get for trying to catch me in prison. Ooh. Dismount complete. Oh, that's really fast. Let's see this again. Ooh, and then he falls out. Oh, I didn't see that. I saw that car just go in circles. I didn't know what it was. That's what you get. And it was that police car. Yeah. The mic and the... Dismount.
Under your chest.
Ha ha ha. Oh my gosh. I just did a barrel roll and I'm back on my wheels. That's cool. There's 3 police cars that I just seen. Oh. Dismount complete. Here we go. Let's see this again. Oh my gosh. I see some chasing me. Oh, they're right there. Oh, that was really close. I just seen that. Oh. Did you just see that? Yes. No. Yo. Yo, that was cool. Oh no. Let's do question fighter. Ooh, that's cool. Oh my gosh. So I don't think it's gonna end. Oh yes, it's ending. How many police are that? Oh, this takes so long. Oh. Then. Oh my gosh, that was really crazy. Oh, the police has catched me.
Huh?
Oh my gosh. Oh, that was really crazy.
You might not long now.
Oh.
What can you say something to eat?
Let's try again.
Right?
Oh no.
Sit outside in the parking and overlook. Oh, I would. Yeah, I would, 100% do it. I'd go on vacation on my own.
Oh no! Oh! I couldn't turn. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh. Into the bush. Come on, get out of the way. Let's use it again. Dad. I'm into the bush. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my. Gateway. The getaway. Okay. Oh my.
Chess. You can't take food out of that burger place, man, because people take the food to eat by the pool and stuff. It's like a snack bar.
Oh my gosh.
Ah,
You have an idea.
it's not going to be.
Who doesn't notice? Ooh. Oh. The way. Oh, we crashed into the debris. Quickly. No, I can't turn. Stop. Oh my. Oh. Oh. Please. Let's try again. Go. Hi, you can't get away from me. Just crash into the things. Yeah, that's what I mean. This is what I mean. Wait, that just didn't fall. Just that. Dismount complete. Let's see this again. Character. Oh. He crashed into that, but nothing. Yeah, a roadblock. Oh, it's right there? I didn't know. Did that come from the jet? I want to see. Oh, it did come from the jet. Oh my gosh, the scaffolding. Please. Quickly. Get away. Get away from Gosh, I just crashed. Oh, it's falling down. Oh my gosh. I hope I get away from them. I couldn't do it in time. So close. Loco. The train always works. Who is dangling? Is dangling. Oh my gosh. Oh. Awesome. Well, not chase. No. Oh. I want to change my logo. A sec. I need to change my logo. Customization. Look at these pictures. How many is there? Oh. Wait, no. I chose the right thing. Animal cell. Oh. I think that's it. Missing delivery. Sweet Justice, no. No! Oops. Water fighter. Oh no. Oh, we hit the mines. Oh. Oh my gosh! The car! Ah! It's still going. It's still going. Oh, see the instant replay. Okay, so first it's that. Okay. Oh, there's a big crash! Boom! Then it goes. Just enjoying the chaos. Let's do this again. Okay, this can still going. Oh, it's really slow. Hit the fan. This is perfect. Oslick, whoa, whoa. Gosh, my pieces are falling off. Look at that engine thingy. And ah!
It was Nana.
Let's see this
I'm
again.
looking forward to.
Bang! Whoa! There, it goes falling off.
Are you?
Oh, that's flip.
How?
Oops. Oops, like on turbo. Woohoo! How is that? 445? Oh my gosh! Oh.
Look at these beds before you go down, you shouldn't hand them. I get that mattress all the way up as well as if my bracelet's going down right there, but put it down. Do you want to put it down now? Huh? Put it down now.
Try again. So definitely die. Holy!
Oh, look, Sky's done another gift off me.
Lift up the other end, that's just.
What? Oh no. I know it's on the mine.
Maybe it's gone behind the bed.
Oh my gosh. He's right there. Jesus. Let's see that again. Okay, he gets hit by the fan. Whoa! He gets hit by another fan. Character. Oh, it's right there.
Let's have a look. But I'm going to check and just because I stopped on that one a few times.
Whoa. It looks like a chicken leg. What is that? His head comes off. Okay. Rum. Ooh. No, it's gonna hit it. Ooh. Really close. Obstacles. Oh, minefield. This will be so cool. Bang! Hit by the fan. Oh. Let's change the car to a bandit. No, that's not what I mean. A quadrant fighter. This is big. Bang, bang, bang. What just hit the mines? Okay, let's do a bandit. Bang, bang. Oh, it's flying. Oh, look at the car. I believe I can fly. Oh my gosh. Oh, it hit the thingy. Holy. Oh, he's right there! And then he just disappears out of nowhere. How? He went 499 feet up in the air. He just falls down to his death. Whoa. Let's look this again. Oh. He gets hit by the fan again. Oh, it's not that high. So we just did rubber. Go. No. She hit the fan. Not higher. There. Let's go. Oh, no damage. Boo. Oh, Lee. Okay. Do the original classic. Oh, let's see if I can get past all of this. How slow is this gonna be? Oh, this is really slow. Ooh. Oh. What's it like? Obstacles. Brick wall. And then a mega wall. It's like the map. Oh, I forgot to put an empty square. Obstacles. Loot box? Let's see what's in there. Full speed. Oh. Let's put that all there. This should be perfect. Yeah, a lot of cards. Gaga! Okay. Now let's do the question fighter. Loot. I need to loot. More loot. Oh my gosh. I think that's gonna be it for the video, so goodbye.